Yes, you have read the video title and thumbnail right. You can now trade fractional shares with Moomoo Malaysia, and that makes it less than 3 months from their public launch date. They delivered again. But of course, as with everything, it doesn't just end there. There are quite a few things you need to know about their latest offerings, such as the fees involved, which stocks are available for you to trade in fractionals, how to place a trade for that, what are the limitations, etc, etc. But just before we begin, I just want to share with you that Moomoo Malaysia is running a limited time campaign where you can get 100 ringgit worth of cash rewards when you deposit 1000 ringgit. Or you can deposit at least 10,000 ringgit and you will get a guaranteed bundle of fractional shares that are worth 450 ringgit. That's like 4.5% return immediately, or about 54% annualized return. Essentially free money for you. So quickly use my link in the pinned comment down below to sign up, because this campaign ends on the 30th of June 2024. So just a quick recap for those of you that are new here. In Bursa Malaysia, the minimum you need to trade is 1 bot lot or 100 shares per trade. That means if you want to invest in, say, Nestle Malaysia Berhad, which currently trades around 130 ringgit per share, you need to have at least 100 shares times 130 ringgit per share, which equals to 13,000 ringgit for every single trade. That's a lot of money for a lot of people, even for myself. But over in the US stock market, the minimum per trade is just 1 share per trade. So let's say you want to buy 1 share of Apple, you need to pay around $190, which is about 900 ringgit give or take. That's already so much more accessible as compared to Bursa Malaysia, right? Well, fractional shares take it to the next level. So instead of 1 full share at 900 ringgit, you can buy fractions of it, say half a share at 450 ringgit or 0.1 share at 90 ringgit. You get my point. And I know some of you will be like, but Ziet, buy so little, the commission fee confirm very high, right? Well, so I thought, because clearly the Moomoo team have thought this through before already. Because for every trade that involves fractional shares, the commission fee is waived off and you would only need to pay a platform fee of 0.99% of your transaction amount, and that caps at 99 US cents per order. So as you can see over here, as long as you trade anywhere less than 1 full share, that means fractional shares, your fee will automatically be calculated with 0.99%. And the same applies to US ETFs as well. You can trade fractions of it. For example, my favorite low-cost S&P 500 ETF by Vanguard with a ticker symbol of VOO. It trades at about $483 per share as of the recording of this video, and that's about, give or take, 2,272 ringgit for 1 share of it. So instead of buying a full share of it, you can invest in the S&P 500 in fractions as well, like a few hundred ringgit a month. That's a very accessible investment option that anyone can start with their disposable income. And of course, it can go very low. To be specific, as low as 0.0001 shares or $5 as shown on their website. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying this. Anyways, if you are curious if you will get your dividends, the answer is yes. It works just like a full share. If you have, say, half a share, you'll receive half the actual dividend, and the dividend will arrive in your universal account in US dollar cash as usual. And like I said earlier, there is a minimum trade value of $5 though, which is about 25 ringgit. Super low already, so I can't complain about it. And before you ask, what about the other fees? Well, as long as it's a fractional shares trade, Moomoo Malaysia will waive off every other fee except for the standard stamp duty charged by the Malaysian government, which comes at a rate of 1 ringgit for every 1,000 ringgit of trade value. But to be fair, that's actually rather small if you are trading in the hundreds of ringgits. Now, fees aside, it's essential for me to inform you that not all US stocks and ETFs are available for fractional shares. You can of course check the full list on the Moomoo app itself. Just go to the markets tab and then tap onto US, and then under there you will see in the middle area over here there is fractional shares, so you can click into it and immediately you will be able to access and see all of the US shares and ETFs that support fractional shares trading. You can also of course sort them by ticker symbol, by price, share price if you know what to do with them, the percentage change for the last trading day, and you can also apply simple filters like sorting for its share price, its market cap if you are looking for say a big cap company with over say $100 billion valuation, or you can also by the PE ratio if you just want to quickly screen them. But to be fair, most of the top stocks and ETFs are all here, like your favorite big tech companies, S&P 500 ETFs, Nasdaq 100 ETFs, etc. And there are of course certain stocks not available for fractionals like Palantir or Alibaba, so you do need to give it a quick check just in case. So let's say you decided to trade fractions of Apple shares. Let me show you how. It's very simple. You can use this search button at the top right hand corner and then look for Apple, which is with the ticker symbol AAPL, and then click into it. And at the stock quote page, you can look at the bottom left and click into the trade button and then click into buy since you want to invest in it, right? And you'll be redirected to this order tab. And don't panic if your app does not look like mine. You can always toggle between light or the pro version, and at the top right corner over here. And I always leave it as light, and it gets the job done anyway. And I know there's a few things to set, and I know it looks complicated, but it's actually very simple. Like I said earlier, order type, you can see here that this stock supports fractional shares. Anyways, in general, you only need to know the two basic ones: limit order and also market order. Market order is very simple. If you want to buy the Apple share right now at its market value, which means you don't care if it's trading at $188.11 US or $188.05 US per share, you just want to get it right now, go for the market order. It's the simplest and fastest way to get your trade through. On the flip side, limit order means you want to buy the share at the desired limit price. For example, if it's now trading at $188 per share, you want to pay lower, typical, right? Say $187 US per share, then you can of course use limit order. Of course, since you are trying to lowball the market price, you would have to wait for its share price to drop lah. And you also need to know that sometimes, just sometimes, the drop just doesn't come, and the share price might just go up and up and up, and your trade will never be filled at say $187 US. So just be very mindful of that. If you ask me personally, market order is the most convenient way to get the job done, so I'll go for that over here. Quantity, this is basically how many shares of Apple you want to buy. Since you are doing fractionals, you can input as much as you want, be it 0.9, 0.5 or 0.1, up to you. The app will automatically calculate to you the estimated amount in US dollar. Very convenient. Time in force, there's day and GTC, or good till cancel in short. Quite simply, day means this order will last until the end of the next trading day. So if you're looking at this from say Malaysia, the US trading hour usually starts from 9:30 PM Malaysia time at night to 4 AM the next day morning. So if your order did not go through by 4 AM, then you will have to place this order again. But if you just want to get the job done and not think about it, put GTC. The order will always be active on the market until it's filled or until you cancel it yourself. Easy, right? So when all is good, just click the buy button over here. Sometimes it might require you to enter your trading pin and confirm it. Just proceed, double check, and you're basically good to go. Alright, so shall I say congratulations on your first investment, or should I say welcome to the stock market? If you found this video helpful, a like and subscribe will be very much appreciated. Got any questions? Please feel free to drop them down below and I'll try to answer all of it. Until then, check out this full tutorial I've made on using the Moomoo mobile app. I'm sure you will learn something new about this investment platform. See you over there.